Hello everybody, this is Dee from Quicksby. Thank you for tuning in to the Sublimation channel, and I have an update on the DH-Gate Sublimation blank tumblers. Sometimes you just wake up and you know it's going to be a good day, and I had that feeling today. Now I have not been checking on those tumblers that I did a video about right here, but I logged into DH-Gate today and checked the status of my shipment, and here is what I saw. If you remember, my tumbler order was due sometime in mid to late May, I estimated, and I logged in today to DH-Gate and I see that this changed here. Package in transit is now lit up green. Before it was just package shipped out, and so I punched my tracking number into UPS, and oh my gosh, it is out for delivery today. So that is very, very exciting. Obviously, I will do a video unwrapping those tumblers, and I'm also going to sublimate one, and I'll get that video uploaded to YouTube as quickly as possible. This is just very, very good news because these are really much earlier than anticipated. So that's good news for me. Now all we have to do is hope that they look good, and more importantly, that they sublimate beautifully. All right, everybody, I am going to do my level best to get a video up probably Monday or Tuesday, unwrapping the tumblers, taking a look at the tumblers. I'm going to go through my inspection process. I do make sure that I look at every single tumbler before I sublimate any of them. And that can be because one might have a big scratch on one side and I want to set that aside for practice. So I am going to do a video of separating the perfect ones from the not so perfect ones. I mean, hopefully they're all perfect, but in my experience of importing thousands and thousands of tumblers, they are never all perfect. What's more important is that they sublimate beautifully. All right, so I'm also going to do a video of how I really take one cup and sublimate different colors onto that cup so that I get an idea of how this blank performs. And in my experience, this method of using one cup to do all the testing in all my different colors does save cups in the long run, because if I just went and put one full wrap design on a cup that I'm not familiar with, it may not come out so great. So I've wasted that cup, and then I got to try again and I might waste another cup. So I am going to get that video all set for you as quickly as possible, but I am also going out of town. It has been 19 months since I have seen my parents, not wanting to risk their health with a visit, so I am heading off to see them Wednesday, but I am going to do my very best to get that video up before I take off. So it may not be beautifully edited or anything like that, but I am really going to try to get that up for you. If that sounds like something that you want to watch, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you already haven't, and we will see you very, very soon.